A digital camera captures images using an electronic sensor rather than film. Here's a concise explanation of how it works. Light entry. Light from the scene enters through the camera's lens. Focus. The lens focuses the light onto the camera's sensor. Control light. The aperture, an adjustable opening in the lens, controls the amount of light that reaches the sensor. It functions similarly to the iris in a human eye, widening or narrowing to allow more or less light through. Exposure time. The shutter controls the duration of time that light is allowed to hit the sensor. It opens to let light in when a photo is taken and closes afterward. Light detection. The image sensor, usually a CCD or CMOS sensor, detects the light and converts it into an electrical signal. The sensor consists of millions of photosensitive elements called pixels. Color capture. Each pixel measures the intensity of light. To capture color, sensors use a color filter array, such as the Bayer filter, which splits light into red, green, and blue components. Signal conversion. The electrical signals from the sensor are analog. An analog-to-digital converter, ADC, transforms these signals into digital data that the camera's processor can use. Processing. The camera's processor, often referred to as the image signal processor or ISP, adjusts the digital data for factors such as white balance, contrast, sharpness, and color correction. Compression. The processed image is often compressed into formats like JPEG to reduce file size. Saving. The final digital image is saved to the camera's memory card, such as SD, CF, or microSD, for storage and later retrieval. Viewing. Most digital cameras have an LCD screen or an electronic viewfinder, EVF, that allows users to preview and review photos. Controls. Digital cameras come with various controls and settings such as ISO, sensitivity to light, shutter speed, and aperture size, allowing users to adjust how images are captured based on different conditions. In summary, a digital camera works by focusing light through a lens onto an image sensor, converting that light into electrical signals, processing those signals into a digital image, and storing the image on a memory card.